Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today in front of you Epson 690 dot matrix printer LQ-690. Today I'm going to teach you about the settings of this printer. Without computer, there are some settings of this printer because this is a dot matrix printer. So there are many settings inside the main board or formatter board, like tractor settings, sizes or font size or tier off, tier on, like these settings. Here I have two papers. This is the current setting of this printer. That is totally wrong. What's there? What is there in the settings? First of all, page length for tractor, skip power perforation, auto tear off, and print direction, auto line feed, and these are settings. Okay, and also language here. And the other side, it's written okay, pitch or like this, buzzer, manual feed, wait time. So how to access the setting mode and how to make the correct settings, today just I'm going to teach you. You have to feed the paper. If your printer is in ready state, there is no error in the printer. Just feed the paper behind and press these two buttons simultaneously. And okay, it's appeared in front of you. The first of all, language, and this option written here, yes colon set slash no, and item move down. Current language is English because there is a underline English. If any language from these underline, it means that the default language of this printer for settings is the same language that is underlined. In this printer it's English, but if I want to change not English rather than other language, I will press arrow button, down arrow button, it will move behind, and now arrow is on French. Again I will move down, the arrow is on Dutch language. Again I will press the arrow button, now the underline is on Italian. So this arrow button is moving down, it's continuously changing the language. Again I will press because we have to move Spanish now, and now Portuguese, then again English. This is now on Portuguese and now on English it's came. So we have now English language is English. I will press set button to confirm the setting. Okay, now it's asking me you want to print the current settings. If I will press yes button, it will print for me like this page, and it will show us that what is the current settings of this printer. Let's we print the current setting of the printer. I will say yes to set button. It will print for us the current settings of this printer. I already fixed the settings, but we will make sure the current settings of this machine. Okay, it need one more page, so we will add another page to complete. Okay, here you go. This is the current settings of this printer, and these settings are quite fine. No issue with these settings. Page length for character should be 12-inch. Skip power perforation should be off. Auto tear off you can make according to your requirement, off or on. These are the exact settings, and this is a correct setting for a new printer of Epson LQ-690. Okay, for the sake of argument, if I want to change anything in between that, so how can we change? Like it's showing the first option, page length for tractor, page length for tractor. If it's damaged or it's changed by mistake or anyway, how can we bring to 12-inch again? I will, if we will move the arrow button down, it will go another option. Second option is skip power perforation. Perforation. Okay, if I will move down, it will move for second option. But if I want to change this 12-inch, I have to press the set button. But I will show you first. If I will press arrow button, it's moved to skip power perforation. Okay, perforation. Okay, it's off now, and also here it's off. The correct settings is perforation is off. So if we want to change this 12-inch tractor size setting, we have to move back, plus upper arrow button, it will go again to 12-inch. If I want to set rather than 12-inch, if I want to set another number like 14 inch or 17 inch, so I will press the set button. Now it's showing me that 14 inch in the front. Again I will press set button. It's showing me 17 inch. If I will move down, it will stick to the 17 inch, but we have to bring it to 12 inch. Okay, and the correct setting is 12 inch. So I have to move again. Set button I have to press to bring the 12 inch option. I will press continuously set button. It will appear till it will appear 12 inch. We have to set it to 12 inch. I am pressing set button. Okay, it's changing continuously. Now 4 inch, the 5.5, now 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 8.5, 17 over 70 over 6, 11 inch, then 70 over 6. Now the option will appear 12 inch. Okay, it's not 12 inch. So this is a default position for this printer, 12 inch. Now I will similarly I will move down with the arrow button. Now it's showing the skip over perforation, another option. So you have to make the correct settings. If you want to change, you can use press the set button to change the value, set the value actually. And like this I will move arrow button, press the arrow button, it will move down. Auto tear off. If I want to change auto line feed off or on, how I can change? Now it's off. Now if I will press set button, it's now on, but we have to keep it off. I will press again set button. Okay, it's off. I have this new printers page that is correct settings. I will attach also hopefully in the description, or the correct settings you have to set according to this page. Okay, now if finish all setting, you have to press these two buttons together to save the setting. If you don't want to save the setting, just turn off the printer, it will raise all settings. But I will press these two buttons to save settings. You hear the beep. Now settings has been saved. I will press this button to eject the paper, and I will turn off and will turn back on again, and the all settings has been saved in the formatter board. So this was the method. If you want to change your printer settings like this type of setting, you can do with this method. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best, and subscribe.